Branding yourself as a niche leader during your senior years. Branding yourself as a niche leader in your senior years is about leveraging your accumulated knowledge, experience, and perspective to establish authority and trust within a specific area. In a world where uniqueness and authenticity are highly valued, your senior years offer a distinct advantage in crafting a personal brand that resonates with depth and credibility. Identify your unique value proposition, reflect on your unique skills, experiences, and insights that set you apart in your niche. This self-awareness is crucial in defining your personal brand. Share your expertise generously. Regularly share your knowledge through blogs, articles, social media, or speaking engagements. Providing value to your audience establishes you as a go-to resource in your niche. Build a strong online presence, develop a professional website, and maintain active social media profiles. These platforms are essential for showcasing your expertise and connecting with your audience. Engage with industry leaders and peers. Network with other professionals in your field. Engaging in industry discussions and collaborations enhances your visibility and credibility. Stay updated and relevant. Keep abreast of the latest trends and developments in your niche. Continuous learning shows that you are committed and knowledgeable. Tell your story, share your journey, including the challenges you faced and overcome. Personal stories create a deeper emotional connection with your audience. Offer mentorship and guidance. Mentor younger professionals or those new to your niche. Mentorship not only reinforces your expertise, but also builds your reputation as a leader and influencer. Utilize testimonials and success stories. Showcase testimonials and success stories from clients or colleagues. These endorsements can significantly boost your credibility. Consistently deliver quality. Whether it's a service, content, or advice, ensure that everything you provide is of high quality. Consistency and quality reinforces trust and reliability. Embrace and highlight your senior perspective. Celebrate your senior perspective as a strength. The unique insights and wisdom gained over the years can be a key differentiator in your personal branding. Branding yourself as a niche leader in your senior years is a journey of combining your life's work with a forward-looking mindset. It's about projecting the confidence and depth that comes with experience while continuously evolving and adapting to current demands. In doing so, you not only establish yourself as an authority in your niche, but also inspire others with your enduring passion and resilience. Remember, your brand is a reflection of your journey, and in your senior years, it can shine with the richness of experience and the clarity of purpose.